Hey, welcome back. I have to build a pig paddock out of pallets because the one I built over there is great for separating pigs from each other, but there's no way to get a trailer over there. This is our furrowing pen and birthing pen. So when the pigs come in here to give birth, that's how we separate them with that other one. And the way we get them onto trailers for butchering is through this paddock. Now my problem is, my girls are about to give birth right in here, and there's no way I can get the 4 boys that I need to get to butcher ring or to butcher myself through where the girls are giving birth. So I have to build another one, and we're gonna build it right here. It's just gonna go out a little ways, come back, cut the wire, run a jumper, so that way the wire over there is hot, wire over here is hot. Bob's your aunt, Sally's your uncle. Won't take any time. As you can see, that's where we were. This is where we are. All we need is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-ish. 6 pallets, give or take. Some screws, a couple of T-posts, and we'll get it in. Oh, safety note, turn your hot wire off before you do this. And measure the width of your trailer so you know how wide to make your opening. Other than that, let's build. Well, as I'm sure you can see, we've run out of daylight. So I'm not going to be able to show you the completed product tonight. But we have our gate in with a latch. The only thing I really have left to do is fix those wires there. And we're just going to add a couple connectors so that way I can DC the wire when I want to. But we'll leave this open on that side with the wires intact, feed them here, get them used to it. Then we'll back the trailer up here, remove those wires, and put the trailer like 2 feet in there, and we'll start feeding them in the trailer like a week or 2 before we want to move them. Super easy. Pigs are very food motivated, but we'll show you that when it's brighter out. You caught me just in time. We're about to set this thing up. It's been 3 days since you saw us last, and we did time lapse into the dark. About to be on our back. So we've cut our wires here. We've got a loop here and here, and what we're going to do is run a connector across that so that we can have power that runs down that side of the wire. Now it's just that run, but they will try and get out. Silver bells. Hey, it's almost Christmas. Woo-hoo. By the time this comes out, it'll be after Christmas, and I'll have known what kind of cool presents I got. Anyways, we know that Christmas isn't about presents. It's the birth of our Savior. However, that's in a few days. Today we finish wire. So, run this here. This is currently off. Don't try and do this with it on. That would be a bad experience. And all I did was add some connectors on these pallets. So that they're insulated. So now once I hook this back up, I will have power running across. But when we're backing the trailer up, we obviously don't want that. So we can just do that. Now we're going to use one of our backup tractors. This is the one you saw a few weeks ago where we fixed the steering on it. And the nice thing about having a tractor that you don't need all the time is because it's hooked up to the ball, I'm going to back this, well, I'm going to forward this trailer into that opening and leave it there for like a week, and we're going to feed the pigs in this area, in this trailer, so that one day, when they are unsuspecting, close the trailer, you can move your pig. And the pigs go wild. Ah! Now this gate is kind of chintzy. You can do something more sturdy. At some point I probably will. Hello piggies. But all I did is some cloth straps for a hinge. Nice little entrance. Hello piggies. Oh no, we're gonna get eaten. So now we're gonna get some food, chuck it in the trailer, and see what happens. Pigs are very food motivated, which is super useful in cases like this. Corn tortillas are also their favorite, so we'll do that too. Who wants some corn, huh? Good piggies. And when one gets brave, they stop thinking and they all just rush for it. Come on. Come on. Where's Big Boy? Although we don't need Big Boy. Now in theory, I could go close that back gate, and because they have nowhere else to go, I could force them up the trailer. But I'm not going to. We're just gonna let them get used to it. But if you really had to, you could. Come on. Now keep in mind, these guys were fed just a couple hours ago. So if they were really hungry, they would be up that ramp. And there you have it, my friends. Easy, cheap, didn't take long. I think I've probably spent maybe a total of 2 or 3 hours doing this over 2 or 3 days. And they are already fighting for food to get up onto the trailer, as you saw with our super fancy time-lapse footage. Oh, they bumped it. Now the trailer's energized. I'm gonna have to fix that. Anyways, my name is Brian. This is Flannel Farms. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. Keep growing as you grow. I'll see you next time.